POV, you've been waiting for 2 months.
Aw, what a beautiful day it is today. Oh, I forgot my friend was here. Come in. So, what do you want to do today? Well... Alright. Today was a fun day, but I have to go home now. I should go outside. Wait. What is that? It's a yellow box? Wait, is that a Superbox? I thought they weren't in stores anymore. Does this mean it's the last one? If so, I have to protect it. Finally, I've located where the jammer with the last Superbox is. All I have to do is steal it from them, and then I can use whatever is inside to take over the world. Phantom. Yes, boss sir? I'm taking you to the island of Droon. Who's Droon? An ancient fox. We need to get items from there. Why, boss sir? So that, well, I've already told you about the wolf who has the Superbox. They probably won't accept to give me the Superbox for free. So we'll need to have items to fight back if they're willing to fight us. Sounds like a good plan, boss sir. But where exactly is this island of Droon? Oh, well, the submarines will take you there. Okay, boss sir. Follow me. This is the island of Droon. It looks so abandoned. Because it is, Phantom. Now go look around for items that might help us in a battle against a wolf with a Superbox. You didn't have to be so specific. Got it, boss sir. Ooh, treasure. Let me see. Oh, it's just ancient scrolls about Droon and his stories and adventures. Let's search these ruins instead. Alright, Phantom. We're done searching. I will start the submarine. You go handle with that snake in that basket before it uses its venom to destroy us. Okay, boss sir. And here's a place to put my Superbox. Now I should probably work at defense at the entrance. Now what could I put here? Mechanical dragons that look like dragons that can actually shoot fire out of their mouths. I hope Graham doesn't notice I stole his mechanical dragons from his office. Anyway, now let's try to figure out how to open the Superbox. No, not this. It's been too long. I'll just sleep near it. Well, I just went to sleep. Who could possibly be at the door? I didn't order anything else for my Superbox except this chair. Let's check it out. Okay, who's here? Hello, young lady.
Those phantoms will pay for crossing my paths.